Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the camera battery is above 50% and Wi-Fi mode is enabled on the device. Open the Jortan app on your phone and grant necessary permissions. This lets the app find the camera on the local network. Once done, follow the app prompt to add a new device and choose the camera model. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz network if requested, because many cameras do not support 5 GHz. Next, you handle the pairing. Confirm your phone is connected to the same 4 GHz network and not using mobile data. If auto discovery works, tap the camera shown in the app. If not, switch the camera to AP mode and connect your phone to its temporary hotspot. Then return to the app, scan the QR code or input the hotspot info, and enter the home Wi-Fi password so the camera can join your network. Let the app complete the handshake until the camera reports online. Finish by naming the camera and creating a strong device password so you control access. You should enable motion detection and adjust recording schedule or image parameters, then verify the live view and save a backup configuration. Once configured, test remote access through the app to confirm NAT or cloud settings are active. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to reboot router and camera, re-enter Wi-Fi credentials, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.